eat at the same time. The challenge that counties, just like the national government, have to deal with is growth, which has to be both horizontal and vertical. Horizontally, counties have to spread the benefits of development to regions and communities that have been left behind. Vertically, our actions must meet expectations about quality of life, services, and infrastructure. If the infrastructure for vertical and horizontal growth is not laid early, we will repeat an development that has dodged the national government independence 6 years ago. Homa has adopted agriculture and agriculture, tourism, cotton, and other for the value chain to help prosperity. That agriculture and its value chain and for the takeoff. To unlock opportunities in agriculture, we are never going to feed ourselves specialized agriculture. We know people out of the subsistence. The issue of food shortage is a even among people who identify themselves as farmers, going to something very wrong. Land sizes decline. Yield per hectare continues to decline. Population is rising. Easy. It was never easy to introduce large-scale farming even in Europe or in South Korea. We must start laying down structure for the likes of agriculture in this region. That means educating and also laying down for irrigation and irrigation of agriculture. You identify and explore other crops. To this end, I appreciate the effort by our neighbors to purchase crops like palm, soya, oils industry, cotton, the back. Help with the when and women used to take their cotton to the market on market day, and they had mobile weighing skills. You would pay the cotton, and mama would be paid cash delivery, and should then go and buy fish meat in the market. That introduced the monopoly of cotton. Cotton was delivered to the port, no payment, 6 months later, being sent. That's why we talk with cotton. We need to have science work. In this regard, suppose that county governments, the most actors and roles in agriculture research bodies, such as the Kenya Agricultural Research Organization, CALRO, company, the Research Institute, and an Agricultural Finance Corporation. The idea is to ensure that research and finance reach small farmers who are the bulwark of agriculture. Currently, inadequate of information farmers new crop and livestock varieties. Fishing has still a community distribution generation. The lakes, swamps, and rivers have been polluted and degraded, making them unsafe for use of commercial purposes. You have to invest in water environment, rivers, lakes, even fish ponds, and let us invest in the restoration of the and lake basins that are known to support the national well-being, just like they are doing with mangroves at the coast. I wish to see our cities take the lead on the indigenous along our water bodies. If possible, only home for the road. We need to put more joint effort and go for life. I'm just about to even invest in tourism and put up a lodge at Homa National Park. Venture into areas like nature, water sport, cultural and heritage tourism. Today, national government view Lake region towards destination that warrants government investment. The region does not feature much activity related to tourism. Not for it, government need to take it and be more aggressive marketing the local and international market. Across the region, despite improvements available, reliable and very expensive. Most people are unable to afford electricity connection costs. Collaboration between the county and national government has resulted in improved air transport through rehabilitation of airstrips. But much more to be done, especially with regard to roads, electricity. Solutions the national government to surrender more function to counties. I'll give example. The Kenya Rural Roads Authority, KERA, the Kenya Urban Roads Authority, renewable electrification and renewable energy, all need to be handed over to counties. And I want to say this, the fear of contradiction. I was the Minister of Roads, Housing, and I'm the one who introduced Kura and under unified system of government. The devolved system of government, you need carer. To the county government. These bodies would empower counties to develop local resources of energy like solar parks, wind energy, We will also increase rural access to electricity and the expansion of the road network of all the C and D roads to bitumen standards. The overall aim is in the investment in the different kind of infrastructure, removing barriers that the attainment of full potential. As much as possible, counties have to reform and deregulate, not perform. Make regulations and processes to compare with the best in the world. Don't bog the people down with the taxes and levies, rules and regulations that only make doing business more difficult. Make doing business not only easier but also cheaper. I encourage you to make doing business matter by insisting on IT-based transactions, particularly in the procurement of goods and services and payment for government services. At all times, we must go ahead. We need to go and be the obligation to be caring the infrastructure for the people. Then watch the encouraging the governor. She's done well in what she's doing. To continue committed to supporting all our governors. We have coalitions, like in Nairobi County, the governor of Nairobi. We will give you all the support that you require to succeed. We want to ensure that what we set out to achieve is achieved through the county governments. But right now we are at the stage. You know that we had a NACO, was chaired my colleagues and Mr. Jungwa. They produced a report. The report will be approved by Parliament. That report should be handed over to us. Once it's handed over to us, we will ensure that it is implemented fully, all the recommendations in that report. Secondly, let me respond to some issues being raised, some fears. I'm not going anywhere. I'm around. I've been running around trying to get support for different heads of state. I was with some in Namibia just the other day. And I went to the president of Uganda after I talked to him to go and ask for his support. And then we met there with Mr. Ruto, who had also gone there, to talk about the issues they're having with oil, the G2G. He was his minister for energy. So after we talked about my candidature, they talked about the issue of oil among themselves. And both of them agreed that they would support me. President Museveni said he would be the one to propose me as the chair of African Union Commission. And I said, thank you very much. But I'm not going away. Addis Ababa, as said, is only 2 hours away from Nairobi. I'm available. Whenever I'm called, I will answer. I'm ready to work with you people. But what is important is that we must ensure that what we set out to do is eventually achieved and accomplished. We had said, and you also, some of you may be forgetting, we said that it cannot be panga. Who can panga? Who can power? Can power? Who can power? We are unforgivable. Therefore, have no fear at all. We are unforgivable, and we will get there. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have a photo session now, and I'll request the current governors to come and line up next to Excellency and Governor Gladys Wanga. And I will also ask all the former governors as well to come and join on the same row. And members of parliament as well will use the staircase as well. And members of the Senate, karibuni sana. And have members of the legislature stand up on the rows. I also ask His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka to kindly join right in the middle next to His Excellency Raila. Asante sana. Okay, I think we have everybody in the group photo. We'll ask everybody to smile. Yes. Beautiful smiles, as you can see. Are the deputy governors here? The deputy governors, kindly join also in the top row if you're not here. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, deputy governors. Fantastic. We could all see your smiles, your beautiful teeth. Thank you very, very much. We will... Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, kindly clear the area. A security team, kindly assist us. His Excellency Raila Molo will leave at his pleasure. And we thank you very much for honoring Homa Bay County and being present at the second International Investment Conference, HOBIC 2024. DJ, just before I'd like to make a quick announcement to delegates and other guests that right after this, we are now invited to lunch. There is a lunch village to my left, and there is the VIP lunch village
Jichukulie 30 days third-party cover for your motor vehicle kwa thao moja tu and say goodbye to expensive motor vehicle insurance. Pata bima kutoka Direct Line Assurance. Kujisajili bonyeza *487*4# na uweke namba plate ya gari yako, ID namba yako, email address yako na ulipe thao moja tu, and your digital cover will be sent to you instantly. Collect your sticker at your nearest Total service station. Dial *487*4# upate third-party motor vehicle insurance valid for 30 days pop.